How to make a public profile on Snapchat. In order to make a public profile on Snapchat, you need to follow these steps. First thing first, open the Snapchat app on your device. So after you're logged into your Snapchat account, what you need to do is basically you need to click on the Bitmoji icon from the top left corner of your screen. On the next field, what you need to do is scroll down and go to my public account, or you just need to go ahead and click on my public story, or you just need to go ahead and click on my public profile, right? So here I already have a public profile. So what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna go ahead and delete this account, or I'm gonna click on add account. Now go ahead and select a username first of all, and then set a password as well, and go ahead and add in your profile name or profile display name, and type in your email address as well. Once you're done entering the following information, select your public profile type and click the continue button. Now moving on, you've successfully created your public profile on Snapchat account. So you could go ahead and add a snap and all that stuff. And this way you'll be able to make a public profile on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.